Smell training, reclaim your smell. Who is smell training for? All people with anosmia, all of who have lost their sense of smell through either head trauma, a severe infection of the upper respiratory tract, through sinus issues, COVID-19 or for reasons unknown. What you will need for smell training: 1 journal, 4 jars, 4 labels, 1 pen, 4 scents, 4 pieces of paper/kitchen towel. Buy your smell training journal on Amazon. A journal designed for smell training by Rob Wallace. Smell fits into 4 main categories: flowery, fruity, spicy, and resinous. Smells you will need: fruity, lemon; flowery, rose; spicy, cloves; resinous, eucalyptus. Test every day and record your journey in your journal. Time to reclaim your smell. robwallace.co.uk. To buy your journal and start reclaiming your smell today.